Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into your Apple ID or Google account and verify it. This unlocks store access. Once done, make sure your device is on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Low bandwidth stalls downloads. Next, update the operating system to the latest minor release and free at least 500 MB of storage so the store can cache data. These steps remove the typical blockers, so you can begin connecting the App Store without repeated authentication or download errors. You now authenticate inside the store. Open the App Store or Play Store and accept any updated terms. This is required to proceed. Then configure payment settings, add a card, link a payment service, or select none for free installs because purchases and some region checks need it. Once authenticated, set app permissions like location and notifications. These affect discovery and background updates. Make sure to toggle in-app purchases only if you intend to buy, so accidental charges won't occur during testing. You finish by installing and verifying. Search the app, tap Install or Get, and watch the download progress until the app launches. Once opened, sign into the app's own account and test critical features, login, purchases, and notifications, so you confirm end-to-end connectivity. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Reboot the device first, then clear the store cache or remove and re-add your account to force re-authentication. If persistent issues continue, check server status or contact support with error details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.